Hi everyone, welcome to this video. My name is Christopher Yorik Setiano Samusir, and today we'll be exploring the motherboard, the heart of your computer hardware. We'll discuss its role, key feature, and how it works with other components like the CPU, RAM, storage, and GPU to keep your system running. By the end of this video, you all understand why the mother is essential to any computer build. Let's dive in. The CPU or Central Processing Unit is installed directly on the motherboard in a socket designed specially for it. The socket type must match your CPU. For example, Intel and AMD CPU require different socket types. The motherboard provides power to the CPU and facilitates communication with other components through its chipset. The CPU relies on the motherboard to process data for RAM, storage, and prepare efficiently. When choosing a motherboard, it's essential to ensure compatibility with your CPU. For example, an Intel Core i7 processor may require a motherboard with an LGA 1700 socket. Next, let's talk about RAM or random access memory, which plug into slot on the motherboard. The number of RAM slots and the maximum support and capacity depend on the motherboard model. Modern motherboards support DDR4 or DDR5 RAM depending on the generation. Dual channel or even quad channel configuration allow the CPU to access memory more quickly, improving performance for multitasking and demanding application. For example, a gaming PC with 16 GB of RAM in dual channel mode will perform better than one with a single 16 GB stick. The motherboard ensures the CPU can access the memory efficiently to run programs smoothly. Now let's move on storage. Motherboard have connect for both traditional hard disk drive (HDDs) and faster solid state drive (SSDs). Modern motherboard often include M.2 slot for NVMe SSDs, which are much faster than SATA drive. For example, an NVMe SSD installed on an M.2 slot can load your operating system and application in just seconds, significantly improving performance. Motherboard also feature PCIe slot, which are faster to install expensive cards like GPU, sound card, or even network card. The latest motherboard support PCIe 4 or PCIe 5, offering faster data transfer speed for GPUs and other high-performance devices. Finally, let's look at some additional features of the motherboard. Most motherboards come with built-in audio chips, Ethernet port for wired internet, and sometimes Wi-Fi and Bluetooth capabilities. They also have USB port, HDMI, and DisplayPort connector for display and monitors. The BIOS or UEFI firmware on the motherboard allows you to configure system settings such as adjusting the boot screens, enable overclocking, or updating hardware driver. When building or upgrading a computer, always ensure the motherboard has the right number of ports and features for your need. For instance, if you plan to connect multi-monitor and your motherboard or GPU support it. To wrap up, the motherboard is the backbone of your computer, connecting the CPU, RAM, storage, GPU, and peripheral in play a crucial role in ensuring all the components work together seamlessly. I hope this video helped and you understand the importance of the motherboard and how it interacts with other components. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for this content. And if you have any question, feel free to leave them in comment below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.